Hey there, YouTubers. Luis from Tow Universe here. Well, I'm working a late night tonight. I've been, as most of you know, I've been really sick. I'm actually working with a cracked rib that I got from coughing, but I wanted to do a quick video here. And if you guys have been following me for the last few years, you know about Kendra. This is my girl Kendra here. She's been out of commission for about the last year or so. The last time she was on the road, I had just recently done a clutch, and 2 weeks later, the transmission ended up wanting to take a dive. So with everything else going on, this truck has been sitting, and it's been breaking my heart because this is the longest truck that I've ever owned. I've owned this truck about 10, 11 years. This was the first nice truck that I bought while I was in business. A friend of mine built this truck from the ground up. It used to be a box truck. He put a brand new Kylar bed on it, converted it from electronic injection to fully mechanical. So this is an 8.3 that runs on a P pump. This is the most reliable truck that I've ever had. The only time this truck has ever been towed was when one of my drivers a couple years ago ran it out of fuel. So finally I got some time, and like I said, it breaks my heart to see this down. I decided to finally pull the transmission out. I'm going to drop it off tomorrow at the rebuilders. This is an Eaton transmission. I pulled a lot of metal out of the magnet, so something in there failed internally. And she's going to be needing a full rebuild, you know. Right now, it's currently stuck in gear, but man, I miss this truck. You know, we're gonna pull the bumper off tomorrow, send that out to be sandblasted. I might have it powder coated. We might paint these wheels again and just, you know, kind of give it a big, a little sprucing up, you know. This truck is very well known in the area. People have been wondering what happened to it. A lot of people don't know that it's been down. They think that I sold it because this thing sits in the back of my impound lot where nobody sees it. But stay tuned. I cannot wait to get this back on the road. And I'll give you guys and girls an update of what's going on with the transmission. Well, thanks for watching. Slow down, move over, hit the like and subscribe button.